Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the L8050 and confirming firmware is current. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, make sure your router broadcasts on 4 GHz. Epson printers often require it. Connect a laptop or phone to that same Wi-Fi and keep the SSID and password handy. You will enter them directly. Once done, open the Epson Smart Panel or the web configuration tool on your device and choose Network Setup. This is the first actionable step to start the Wi-Fi. Now you switch to the actual configuration. On the printer or app, select Wi-Fi setup mode and scan for networks. You must pick the correct SSID, type the password exactly, and verify the security protocol. WPA2 is preferred for stability and security. If you frequently lose connection, assign a static IP via router or printer settings, otherwise DHCP will do. Make sure the printer shows connected on its display. Once connected, install or update drivers on your computer so the OS recognizes the new network printer. Finish by printing a network status sheet to confirm IP address, SSID, and link quality. This proves the printer is reachable on the LAN. If your computer cannot find the L8050, restart the router and printer, then try again. This clears many temporary issues. Make sure SSID is not hidden and avoid crowded wireless channels. Change channel if interference persists. As a last resort, perform a network factory reset on the printer. Then re-enter credentials. This often resolves stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.